I made a Pac-Man costume that fits inside a backpack. Get it? Backpack Man. It's got 3D printed parts and electronics. This button is A for activate. It turns on a motion sensing chip that makes sound effects while I walk. Snack button and unactivate when I'm done. Here's the whole setup strapped to my chest, which I brought to Anime Expo, a convention in Los Angeles, a gathering of 350,000 weeaboos who like dressing up, buying stuff, watching anime, and of course, turning up.
We're gonna get him in a place like...
I even got to meet a famous celebrity.
What's up, dude?
Nice to meet you.
16, the Bible says for God so loved.
There was a little something there for every type of person.
Loved means past tense, right? It means past.
You have to go in person. Some of the stuff I can't even show you. But what I can show you are my adventures as Pac-Man, which I brought in my backpack. It took about 5 minutes for me to get set up once I got there. Then I was ready to eat pellets and play sound effects. I even found fellow two-dimensional characters to hang out with. Overall, I had a great time. It was awesome seeing everyone in their costumes, so creative, all these great artists. I got a lot of love too, a lot of recognition and appreciation. I can't wait to go back next year, and if anyone has any Halloween parties, hit my line. I'll leave you with some clips from the after party.